this out. What is evil? What is a sin? Evil doing, evil, sinning, sin, these are not the end of the story. These are means to an end. You see, certain actions can be called evil or immoral or sin. But they aren't only evil because they immediately do the destruction that they do, like stealing, right, or coveting, or dishonoring parents. These are the actions, these are the sins, these are the evil doings. But they aren't all that it comes with. It's not the whole package of sin. Sinning is a means to an end. But what is the end that the evil doing / sinning takes you to? It takes you to something known as separation from God. You see, God is everything. God is the one. There is one being, one creative force, one thing, one God, and we are all it. And what happens is when you do certain actions, it takes you to a spiritual state to where you start thinking, I am here, the rest are over there. And from there you can get some real evil and sneaky gratification. So sin is that state, is when you're in that state where your thoughts are separate from the rest of God. So don't do anything that takes you to that place where you feel like, I am here, the rest are over there. Even if it makes you feel good and gratified, it's a sin. That's what sin is. It's a means to an end. It's an evil action that takes you to an evil place spiritually to be in. Put separation between you and God. That's what it is. And there are other scriptures that talk about how you are part of the creative force. You are one with that force. There's one creative force, not two, not you and them, just one creative force. Just because there's space between your body and my body, doesn't mean we're all part of one being. Just because my mind sees stuff from my perspective and your mind sees stuff from your perspective, doesn't mean we're part of one being, because we are.